In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a page's background color in Elementor. We'll walk through this together step by step. So even if you're new to Elementor, you'll be able to follow along easily and customize your page exactly the way you want. First, open the page you want to edit with Elementor. In your WordPress dashboard, go to the page you're working on and click the option to edit it with Elementor. This will launch the Elementor editor, where you can see a live preview of your page in the center and the Elementor panel on the left side. Once the Elementor editor is open, move your attention to the very top left corner of the screen. There, you'll see the Elementor icon, which looks like the logo for the builder. Click on that icon. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose the option called Site Settings. After you click Site Settings, a new panel will open on the left with several options that control the overall design of your site. Look for the option labeled Background and click on it. This is where you can manage the default background for your pages. Inside the background settings, you'll see that you can choose between two main background types, Classic and Gradient. Classic lets you set a single solid color as the background. Gradient allows you to blend two or more colors together for a more dynamic look. Choose the one that best fits the style you're going for. In both Classic and Gradient modes, you'll see a setting labeled Color with a color swatch next to it. Click on that color swatch to open the color picker. The color picker lets you either drag around to find a color visually or enter a specific color code if you already have one in mind. As you adjust the color, keep an eye on the live preview in the center of the screen. Elementor updates the background in real time, so you can immediately see how your changes affect the page. Take a moment to experiment with different shades or gradients until you're happy with the result. When everything looks good, it's time to save your changes. On your keyboard, press Ctrl+S. This will save your new background settings so they apply to your site. And that's it. You've successfully changed your page's background color in Elementor.